Hey everyone, welcome back to another weather update for Punta Gorda, Florida. The time is 2:18 p.m. and the temperature is 83 degrees Fahrenheit with a humidity of 63%. The winds are coming from the southeast at 9 miles per hour, and the barometer is reading 30.07 inches of mercury, or 1,018.0 millibars of pressure. The dew point is 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and the visibility is 10 miles, so there is full visibility throughout the airport. The heat index is 87 degrees Fahrenheit, or 31 degrees Celsius. The last update was at December 18 at 1:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. A slight change of showers throughout the week. 10% chance of showers for this afternoon with a high of 86 degrees Fahrenheit is forecasted. Then transitioning into a slight change of showers and partly cloudy conditions for tonight. A 20% chance of rain for tonight with a low of 68 degrees Fahrenheit is in the forecast. For Sunday, and Sunday night, a 20% chance of rain is in the forecast all day, with a patchy fog in the morning, then a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, with a high of 84 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Then transitioning to mostly cloudy skies and low of 66 degrees Fahrenheit for Sunday night. For Monday, mostly cloudy skies are in the forecast, then a slight chance of showers in the afternoon with a high of 82 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the chances of showers for Monday night and Tuesday are around 60%, so showers will be likely during that time, with a low of 66 degrees Fahrenheit for Monday night and a high of 76 degrees Fahrenheit for Tuesday in the forecast. Tuesday will be a little bit on the cooler side, as well as Wednesday. Low of 56 degrees Fahrenheit for Tuesday night with a 40% chance of showers in the forecast. Wednesday will be a high of 72 degrees Fahrenheit with the most sunny conditions.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Lowe, like my friend Henry. I'm from the Southwest Florida area in the area of Cape Coral. Right now in Fort Myers, they're reporting 85 degrees Fahrenheit, a few clouds. Humidity is 57%, wind speed is from the southeast at 9 miles an hour. Barometric pressure is standing around 17 millibars. A dew point of 68 degrees, a little bit higher humidity in the area today. Visibility is 10 miles, pretty good visibility out there. Heat index is 88 degrees Fahrenheit. It was last updated about 1:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, Cape Coral, time for your 7-day forecast. This afternoon, we have a 20% chance of slight showers, high of 84 degrees Fahrenheit. The chance drops off to about 10% tonight. Chance of showers and then turning partly cloudy later on, a low of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunday, be careful during your morning commute. Patchy fog should start off the day with a slight chance of thunderstorms at 20%. High should remain warm at 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunday night, our storm chance clears out. Skies turning partly cloudy with a low of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures should be pretty consistent going into the new work week. Monday, a 20% chance of showers, high 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Monday night, our rain chances pick up even more, a chance of 30 to 60% showers, and then showers likely throughout the night, leading into Tuesday with showers likely at 60%, high 75 degrees. Tuesday night, our chance of showers drops to about 20% with a low of 59 degrees Fahrenheit after a frontal passage. Wednesday, our weather should be cooler, high 71 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny skies. So if you're looking for cool relief on the way, cooler weather should be on the horizon.
Looking at the infrared satellite loop of the United States, you'll find that there is a ridge developing over the southeastern United States in much of Florida. You'll find that there are also clouds developing over Florida, and that is contributing to our change of showers today. You'll also notice the lack of clouds in the Midwest, and that is due to a trough that is developing over the Midwest, and that is expected to move east later this week, contributing to cooler temperatures in our area. The visible satellite loop really shows the clouds that are developing in Florida, and those clouds are, again as I mentioned, are increasing our chance of showers for today and for this week. If you look at the water vapor satellite imagery, you'll find that one moist air is situated over Florida and much of the southeastern United States. That is where the showers and thunderstorms are developing today. And you'll also notice this stark divide between warm moist air and cooler drier air. over the Midwest, and that is where the trough is located. And that cooler, drier air is expected to move east over our area later this week, contributing to partly cloudy conditions and cooler conditions.
Alright, folks, as you can see, the weather across the South Florida Peninsula will stay warm over the next few days, but there are changes along the way, including for much of the southeast United States. There's a big trough coming down over the next few days that should bring the area of low pressure into the Gulf of Mexico, which we'll watch for some slight areas of severe thunderstorms, nothing major, but we'll be watching the National Weather Service outlook. Across much of the country, cold air should start filtering down, but as you know, most of the United States has been completely warm most of the summer, the exception being the northwest part of the United States. Temperatures should start feeling more like Christmas as we get to around the 23rd and the low pressure area moves up the East Coast. Temperatures across the Gulf of Mexico has been what has been fueling our severe weather outbreaks. As you know, the dangerous tornado in Kentucky and Arkansas went through 4 states this past week. It has been confirmed it was 2 tornadoes sitting at over 100 miles, but we don't know about the tri-state tornado, so maybe it could be a record holder, but it is somewhere in the top 10 longest track tornadoes in the country's recorded history. We will keep those people in our thoughts and prayers and pray to God that there are no more severe weather outbreaks, but we will keep an eye on that for the rest of the season. Alright folks, last time I was showing you an operational run of the GFS. This is an operational run of the European, the 2 most reliable forecast models overall. Last time it was showing an area of low pressure coming through in a few days around the early part of next week, with a low pressure system dropping into Florida. Again, we'll watch this area for any kind of slight severe weather chances. The GFS model did bring it in a little further south, more towards the Tampa Bay region as far as the center point. This one is taking it a little further north into the Florida Panhandle. The track does matter, but again, it does mean we'll get probably an uptick in rain chances and probably some cooler air behind it. So the Florida Peninsula and the rest of the southeast United States should see a drop in temperatures, and it might feel a little bit more like the winter season in a few days. As you know, the whole country as a whole, as I said in the last video, I did make a mistake stating that, yeah, the whole summer was warm, but I did mean the whole fall season has been above average, but the whole year in general has been above average. So if you're looking for a little bit of relief from the heat, it should come in the form of the next cold front that drops into the southeast part of the United States. The northwest corner of the region has been a little cooler than normal. As you can see, a lot of fronts and low pressure systems are dropping through the region, and we'll see how the rest of the fall season goes, as well as winter, which starts in a few days, and see if those forecasts verify as far as them being above average for the East Coast of the United States.
And if you're looking at the Storm Prediction Center website, you'll find that there is a slight risk of thunderstorms in southwest Louisiana, as well as a marginal risk of severe weather, across the Gulf Coast, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama coast, as well as central Georgia and even parts of South Carolina and the Florida Panhandle. There's a risk of thunderstorms across the greater portion of the Gulf Coast and the south, as well as southern Florida. Looking at the storm reports, for today there are no tornado reports, but there are 3 high wind reports and 5 hail reports, with a total of 8 hazardous weather reports across Texas for today. There are no severe thunderstorm watch warnings or tornado watch warnings issued anywhere in the country. However, there are 3 mesoscale discussions that have been issued in the country. Those are basically areas of interest in terms of weather, even though no severe weather is necessarily expected in those areas. That's still something to. Those 3 issuance of a mesoscale discussion is basically like, hey, there's interesting weather in the area that you should be looking out for. For instance, if you take a look at the first mesoscale discussion in the Northeast, this is about winter weather, Basically, what it's saying is that mixed precipitation, like rain or snow, mixed between rain and snow, is expected to continue throughout the afternoon. And this one is issued for parts of central New York as well as southern Vermont and western Massachusetts. Let's take a look at the second area. An isolated threat for strong and damaging winds and perhaps a brief tornado may continue for parts of southern Alabama as well as the panhandle of Florida and western Georgia. For the second area, we should expect strong and damaging winds in this area. However, there is the low likelihood of a tornado watch or warning being issued for this area. So that's a good news. Even though there's a low chance of a tornado, you should still be watching out for strong gusty winds though. Let's take a look at the third metrical discussion. And this one is for parts of southern Louisiana as well as parts of western Texas. Basically, a line of storms will continue to move eastward this afternoon in this area. Isolated damaging winds should be the main threat. However, there's a low chance of a watch and warning being issued for this area. So even though you might not expect severe weather to occur in either of these areas, you should still keep an eye out for gusty winds or heavy rain, or even a brief chance of a tornado. And since we're not in hurricane season, there are no new tropical cyclones expected during the next 5 days in the Atlantic, so that's something to look forward to this week. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this weather update.